Okay, so in this question 3, we're looking at a few true or false questions. So state whether each of the following is true or false. Use the examples in the key ideas to help. All right, so if you're unsure of any of these, you need to go back to the key ideas and have a look. So 0.333 is equal to 0.3. That's not true, because if this was to show us that it was recurring like it is, they would put a dot above there. Okay, so that one would be false. This one, 0.111 and so on, equals 0.1. There's the dot. That is definitely true. This one, okay, 2 is recurring. Obviously, we have a 2 there. Let's skip ahead to E. 3.161616. So 16 is recurring. They have 2 dots here. That is incorrect. Okay, when you have more than one number recurring, you need to put a bar above those numbers like that. For this one, 216, 216. So 216 are the recurring numbers. They've got this one right. This is true because there is a bar above all of the numbers that are recurring. Okay. Question 7 is an important skill. Convert the following fractions to decimals by dividing the numerator by the denominator. A fail-safe way of converting a fraction to a decimal is to do exactly what it is saying here. Divide the numerator by the denominator. Okay, so here in my book, I've got the first one, 7a, 1/2. We should know what this is as a decimal. A half is 0.5. Okay, this is how we prove it. Okay, mathematically, this is how we prove it. So 2 goes into 1 0 times. Okay, so we put in our decimal place, our 1 stays there, but now we just bring down our 0. Okay, so this is long division, and 2 goes into 10 5 times. All right, so that's how we turn a fraction into a decimal, by doing division. Okay, let's have a look at another one. 7d is 2/5. So once again, we divide the numerator by the denominator. Okay, so denominator's on the outside and numerator's on the inside. Okay, 5 goes into 2 0 times, obviously. Okay, oops. Alright, so we bring our 2 down and we bring the 0 down because the 2 is remaining, and then we bring down the 2 from the next decimal place. 5 goes into 20 4 times. Okay, so our answer for this one is 0.4. Okay, it's a really simple process. As long as you know your long division, which if you're a little bit unsure of, your teacher will be working on it with you more, or if you're still unsure on it, ask him again, because it is a very important skill to have when you're converting fractions to decimals.